on my toe. I'm on the sand and my bitch on the coat. I got your Vinci all over my coat. I'm on the X and I jump on the phone. I'm on the molly. All my 80s and my 90s babies, y'all gonna like this one. Be right back. Alright guys, I'm back, and as you can hear, that's the sample today that I'm gonna be using on Sample Sundays. It's called Anita Baker's Sweet Love. The reason I'm using this song is because I got inspired by this coming up as a child. I used to always hear this playing when I always went over to my grandma's house. And a lot of y'all might be like, yo, what is this? It's because y'all too young for this, man. This is real 80s and 90s music. So just stay tuned, yo. I'll be right back. Oh yeah, yo. Some of y'all might know what this is, some of y'all might not. But if y'all don't, this is the original vinyl for Anita Baker's album that she came out with in I think like the 80s or the 90s called Rapture. Um, it's basically a record, and you can use this if you got like turntables or whatever. And as you can see, they got all the song tracks on the back of it. This is original. I'm never selling this. I'm never getting rid of this. I got this from my grandma. It's autographed. And yeah, let's get right into this instrumental though. Alright, so y'all might want to know what kind of equipment that I'm going to be using today. And I'm just going to be using my iPad mini. I already got a MacBook, a Mac desktop, a Windows 8 laptop. But sometimes I just like using my iPad because it's way more convenient for me. But yeah, let's get right into this. Alright, y'all, I already got the instrumental chopped up, so we're gonna get right into it. But first, I just want to say this quick little tip. When you're making a beat, you always want to start off with the sample and then the drums and then maybe another voice if you want to at the end. So let's get into it. Alright, I'm gonna be starting off with the bass. This is the sample. Alright, usually you guys want to start off with that, and you want to keep playing that repetitive pattern until you get the beat to about like 2 or 3 minutes. But since I already did that, I'm not even gonna do that right now. So let's just move on to the next pattern, which is the drums. Alright, y'all, I'm back with the drums, and the reason that I'm gonna be using this style of drum pattern is because it's called boom bap. And if you guys don't know, boom bap is basically like this. Boom bap originated from the 80s and the 90s, so I'm going to be making the 80s 90s type of beat, etc. So that's the reason I'm going with that type of drum pattern. Alright, so now that we got that finished, we're about to move on to the next sample, which is going to be another voice. Because I always like adding the voices to the instrumental just to make it sound a little bit more cooler, a little more real. Um, yeah, be right back with them voices though. Alright, yo, we on the next pattern, and this pattern is just basically the two voices of the sample that I'm going to be using to add to the instrumental just to make it a little more flavor, you know? I gotta give it a little more style, so it's going to go like this. Alright, so the next pattern I'm going to be doing is going to be the full beat, so stay tuned. Alright, this is the full beat of what I've been working on this whole time, so let's get right into it.